Hello everyone, this is Paulina from Pencil and welcome to today's tutorial showing you our new feature where you can hide cursors. In Pencil Spaces, when you have other participants in the space with you, you can see everyone's cursor in real time as it moves around. So if your participants or your students are drawing on the whiteboard, you can see exactly what they're doing. But if you're collaborating on a PDF or anything like that, sometimes these cursors can get in the way of things. So we developed a feature that allows you to hide cursors at any point. To activate the feature, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click the arrow with a cross around it. It should say hide cursors when you hover over this. And just like that, all of the cursors have been hidden. I can't see anyone else's cursor, but if I want to see what my students are doing, I can show cursors again. Keep in mind that when you hide cursors in Pencil Spaces, it only hides the cursors from your perspective. So everyone who wants to hide their cursor needs to do it from their side of the screen. That is it for today's video showing you how to hide cursors in Pencil Spaces. If you have any other questions or you need additional support, you can message our 24/7 support team by clicking the help button at the top right corner. As always, thank you for watching, and we hope that you found this helpful.